AI definitely, as Sir talked about, AI is not going to take over the job, but definitely because it's the human mind who has designed the entire AI. But AI will not take over the job, but definitely will change the way we used to do the things. You know, it completely disrupt the way we used to operate, the way we used to work. So we need to upgrade the entire essence of what we are talking about is we need to upgrade us. So what is New Age career? Now New Age career talks about where your passion lies in. You know, because everyone is talking about psychometric test, analyzing your own, to the SWOT analysis of your own personality, where you can understand your strength, your weakness. That's what the New Age non-conventional career is all about, where you can choose your profession according to your passion. That means suppose you are interested in digital marketing, and if you are interested in maybe a blogging, so you are converting your passion into a profession. You know what happens when you convert your passion into a profession? You feel happy. You feel happy when you are working, you don't feel irritated, job dissatisfaction. All these terms you will not encounter when you started working. So understand where your passion lies in and choose your profession accordingly. So if you do that, you feel happy and you feel satisfied whenever you go for a job, or whenever in long term you're as a working professional, it's gonna give you more satisfaction.